Fibforex was started with the intention of providing genuine and practical information for trading the financial markets. This is based on our own experience of trading for more than 20 years, as we know what are the common mistakes that most new traders tend to make and where they tend to lose. Let me start off with one of the most common situations faced by traders and when they tend to lose money but they don't tend to realize what's going on. So I've taken this situation where we have price approaching a resistance zone. As soon as it reaches a resistance zone and it stops from there, starts going down, you tend to look for a short, seeing that price is going to go down. And price starts moving down. You see the crossover of the stochastics also happening. You take a sell, and for some reason price suddenly goes against you. It takes out your stop and then goes back in the direction that you wanted it to. Now you start wondering, did I do something wrong? Was my analysis incorrect? But the simple fact is that this is exactly what happens, and this is what we call as the law of the charts. This is where the professionals tend to trap the traders, which a novice trader is not aware of. And at Fibforex, this is exactly what our techniques cover, what we tend to look at. Let us understand the basic concept of trading. When you want to buy any financial instrument, there has to be somebody who is willing to sell at that particular price and vice versa. So for every trade, there has to be a winner and a loser. The difference here is that the professional traders know exactly when the amateur traders will enter a trade, and they tend to drive price to create these trap moves, thus stopping out the amateur traders, which is exactly what we saw in the chart earlier. Now, this holds true of any market, whether you're trading currencies, commodities, equities. Every market follows what we call as the law of the charts. Here at Fibforex, we look for these patterns which will align us to the professionals. In short, we wait for the professionals to create these traps and then enter the trade along with them. Does this work all of the time? Of course not. But we have a trade plan which defines the conditions of the setup, the trading parameters, which is your entry, stop, target levels, the rules of risk management, the steps of trade management, everything included. The Fibforex team brings in years of experience in trading the financial markets using our proprietary tools and following our proprietary trade plans. These bring a high success ratio to our techniques, which is what we need as traders. So if you are a serious trader looking at this as a lifetime skill, speak to us today. Come join us and accelerate your learning curve.